Hello everyone, this is Naim from Fensec Windows Machinery. So we are in Fenestration, Bao, China. Currently we are in Shanghai. So today I want to just explain about CNC forehead corner crimping machine. So first of all, I just want to give you some profiles to see why we require this CNC forehead corner crimping machine. Come here. So for the main purpose of the main point for crimping the machine to do the perfect crimping result without any gap and seam, and also there shouldn't be no up down like this. I mean that perfect crimping, the main purpose should be like this. So for this one we developed this machine. This machine, in the whole machine, has 26 servo motor and also is fully computer controlled. So why for this machine, what they can do, they can fully control system. They can identify the different type of profile and even different length, size, and also adjusting the knife also fully automatic. This is advantage for this machine they can do. So how do this all this processing? Because for each head has 5 servo motor. Okay, as you can see, servo driver to show high efficiency. One more point advantage, for each head using additional cylinder to do this, to do for pressures, high pressures for cramping, and also the body of the mechanical part also fully cast. So this is also give you high precious result. In a general, when you load up the windows, door, in a sash frame, in the different things with a different size, this machine can identify everything automatically and then cramping this area. And for all the things, cramping for a knife, everything automatic. Even the pressure for cramping is also automatic by the computer. You can just adjust at this one. After cramping, moving to this one. As I mentioned it, each head has 5 servo motor, and also for moving all the things and beginning, loading and uploading, also servo motor. In a total 26 servo motor. So to give it a high result. So for this one, if you just see that high maximum which size of windows or door you can just do with this one, 2500 mm to 3200 mm the length and wide of windows or door, you can just cramp. This is it about this. So here you can just see after loading, uploading, you can see the result is very clear. The question here, how many minutes or how much will take from the beginning until the end to cramp 4 corners at the same, I mean how much will take it from the beginning until the end. For all this processing, one window frame sash, it takes only 40 seconds, 40 seconds to finish it from beginning until the end. This is it about the CNC